Making a mess over here.
That's right.
It's the old tickle while you measure.
70.
That's the same one I took out.
Hmm?
That's what I took out of my bike. But I put a 50 in it. So what's the difference in the cam?
A lot.
What's the difference in the gasket?
Gasket?
Yeah, what was your gasket thickness?
Mm.
We just did this, didn't we?
We're about to find out. It's like a 3-hand job.
Here, hold this for me. We have to redo what I just did on my bike. Okay, first thing you do, where's your old cam?
Right there.
This one here?
Yeah.
How thick is it?
I don't know about that thick.
22. Same as my cam. Sure it's not my cam? 585. Is that the one that came out of it?
No. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, that's the one that came out of this motor just now. You didn't measure it. You didn't.
Did it come out of the bike originally?
No. Fuck no.
So we don't know what it is.
No, that's why I just put this one on there. We're about to find out.
This is 24. Because this is bigger than that one.
You want
What's
to spin
the other washer?
You want to spin the crank for me?
Not really. What about the other washer?
It's already in there.
Sure?
Yep. You know how I know?
You put it in there?
Yeah. This cam's dirty.
I just cleaned it.
Well, I see schmutz in it.
That's because you've been running around your filthy motor already. You didn't clean anything in this bike yet. I'm the one that's been cleaning stuff. My sputsy motor's clean.
I got a text message.
Yeah, your lifter's up.
This is not that easy.
I know, that's why you take the lifters out.
Yeah, I don't want to.
It's less effort.
Mm.
How you gonna check your cam inflow?
Hold that. This one rotated. Thank you.
Hold them up there just kind of correctly. Where's your cam gear at?
Hold on, I dropped the lifter. Hold on.
It's alright.
Hold on.
We don't care.
Hold on.
Big hammer.
Hold.
Big ass hammer.
Is that
Doesn't
right?
care. Doesn't care.
Stick it in.
Screwdriver's in the way.
Alright, watch out. Let go. Damn it.
Could pull the lifters out.
Nah, I don't want to.
Could put the dirty magnets back in I took out.
Yeah, where are my magnets? That's what I'm missing.
Yeah, I took those out because they're dirty. The lifters were the problem. They weren't holding the lifters up enough anyway.
Yeah, they were. You're just being a hater.
I did. I took them out.
I know you did.
I took a full lifter block out.
It looks like we're off a couple teeth. Does that matter?
No. I think that's the problem the Indian had.
Let's time this gear. Hold on.
Time it.
We gotta put it on the STD, right?
Get the mark correct on that one.
Right there.
Is that the mark correctly?
Perfect.
You sure?
Positive. HIV positive.
Where's your inflow? Sticks out more than that gear.
Is that good?
No.
Right there.
Sticks out more than that gear though.
That's not good. It's almost like I'm gonna run it.
Where's your gasket?
Not here.
You gonna clean the cover off?
Maybe. Hold on.
It had oil on it.
Forgot that.
That's not good.
It had oil on it.
I think that's carne asada burrito, actually.
It had oil on it. It was oily.
It was?
Yep.
But not anymore?
Still is a little bit.
Little bit.
Still wipes off better than that.
Probably. Right, carne asada burrito sure didn't.
That's why you use clean rag here.
That's right.
What about this nasty old seal that's in here?
Ah,
It's about as old as the one I just took out.
good. It's vintage.
Where's your gasket?
I don't have one. I forgot it.
What are you gonna use?
Got a paper gasket?
I don't know. You want paper format?
I want format. I have the paper.
Yes, there's something wrong with that burrito though. The whole case has been busted out.
Yeah, I noticed that. I had to cut the gasket.
It's not gonna seal with a squat.
Yeah, no,
See
it's
that?
not. Yeah. We got a little bit of extra clearance.
Got a gap right here.
I cut the gasket though, so it's nice and matchy
I don't think it's gonna work that way either.
Yeah.
Takes a leg gasket.
Yep. I took an early gasket and I cut it.
See, she's a late gasket.
Because a late gasket covers that hole. I don't know what that hole does. but an early gasket opens that hole up.
Through a hole, doesn't matter.
Yeah, well, I just took an early gasket and I cut it.
Just took the late gasket on, doesn't matter.
Yeah, well.
Where's your gasket?
Not here. Actually, I did bring it here.
Where's your seal?
Did I bring it here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Ask the camera. Leave a comment if you think I brought it here.
Yeah.
What, you need a seal?
I don't have seals.
Seal?
Seals are for the ocean.
Unless you're walking down the freeway around here.
That's right.
They do that a lot.
That did happen. I remember that.
Several times.
That was funny.
Same seal.
Imagine a seal on the freeway.
10 miles from the fucking ocean.
I'd hit that thing. Would that be a hate crime?
Big
I hope
seal.
not.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Big seal.
That's right.
Okay, so we need a gasket. You got screws?
I do have screws. 2 screws.
2.
I have 3 screws. Is that better than 2?
I don't know why you need a gasket or seal if you have no screws.
Yeah. Gasket cinch. What happened to this box? Can we talk about this?
Fire.
Is it?
When you lose skin, what degree is that?
3rd.
Yeah.
3rd degree.
Made in China. Damn Chinese
Lids.
boxes.
Oh, okay.
What happened?
Is
Can we
evidence
talk
for the
about
fire
this?
department, sir?
Can we talk about this?
Arson over
Maybe
here?
off camera.
Yeah.
It's called airline stuck in the door with torch in hand. Turning around, getting the airline off on the door, not paying attention to the torch is pointed. Then I go back to using the torch.
It keeps going.
Then I smell something behind me. And the flame was about this high.
Oh, shit.
That's
So
awesome.
you didn't get to this area here.
Melted my box too. So.
Oh my god. Oh, there's a hole.
Yeah, the melted
It's a
plastic.
breather box.
That's right.
Yeah.
That box is breathing good.
That melted plastic melted this plastic. And that's a intake manifold you can't buy anymore. And this is a pro stock drag racing pinion shaft you can't buy anymore. Each box got a little hot. It's plastic.
Is the part still good?
Yep, still in the plastic seal.
NOS for sale.
And then my tag number here got stuck on it.
Nah, you can still read it.
I don't know what it's for though.
Vintage.
I don't know what that key tag's for.
It's for a key.
Okay, we need what else do we want? What do you want? What parts do we need to make one trip?
I don't know. Gasket.
Want a seal?
Maybe.
Need a gasket?
Yeah.
We're doing paper or format?
Format. Papers for nerds. There was a nerd online making fun of gaskets